What's up, guys? Are you tired of this old-fashioned reviews style of WooCommerce that just shows things like this? It's simple, there's no image, there's no plenty of information, there's no search field, so you cannot filter the reviews, the keywords, just like Amazon does, for example. How to enhance the reviews of your WordPress website for free. This is what you're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to WordPress dashboard. Here is how it gonna looks like after doing the optimization. But how to do this? First thing, go to WordPress dashboard. Review the WordPress left sidebar of menus. To access dashboard, on the browser address bar, type your domain plus wp-admin. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the sub-menu Add Plugin. Right here, review the upper right corner of your screen. You're going to be able to find search plugins, click and type Customers Review for WooCommerce. Here is the guide we're looking for by Have. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. But if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, next to payments, you're going to be able to find a new menu called Reviews. Click on it. Here you're going to be able to see a better dashboard to manage your reviews. You can tag reviews, you can see what product it is. It's a better option with some graphics so you can have full control of your store products reviews. Reviews, it's really important for Google as well. So in the case that you want, reviews gonna happen to help, okay? Then hit the submenu Settings. Once right here, there is this toolbar right here into the top, and click on the tab Review Extensions. Then we have the visual style. We're gonna change from WooCommerce to Have with the enhanced user experience. We can disable the light box. Disable light boxes for image attachment on reviews, up to you. Review summary bar. Enable display of histogram table, okay, of summary reviews on product page, up to you. Vote for reviews, up to you. You can enable an upvote or downvote. Replace the standard verified owner. You can change the text. Remove plugins branding. Enable this option to remove the plugin branding, okay? Up to you as well. Save change. Now, if you go to your products, you're gonna be able to see a way better review style where people can search, go for most recent, most helpful. You can upvote or downvote into the reviews in the case that you want. It's almost like Amazon. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!